Homemade cough syrup to remove phlegm from the lungs. There are different types of cough. In the case of the popularly called hacking cough, known as productive in medical terms, there are specific symptoms and therefore specific natural remedies for each one. In the following article we'll talk about an excellent homemade cough syrup that helps remove phlegm from your lungs, and we'll also provide more effective recipes and natural remedies. So read on. Productive cough, what you should know. If you feel tightness in your chest and you perceive a whistle or wheezing sound while breathing, if you cough up phlegm or you feel mucus had built up in your airway or chest, then you have this kind of cough. A productive or wet cough is the result of an accumulation of thick mucus, which can be of three colors: white, yellow and green, although all are expelled by coughing. The normal body response will always be to cough in order to clear out what is bothering you, anything which should not be in the lungs. The symptoms of a productive cough are: persistent cough, sticky phlegm that is expelled by coughing, whistling sound when coughing or breathing, sensation of tightness, congestion or heaviness in the chest, excessive coughing in the mornings. As stated above, the phlegm may be of different colors, so it is necessary to pay attention and know what could be causing it. If it is clear or transparent, it is a normal phlegm. If it is yellow, it is due to an immune response to inflammation in the airways. If it is green, there is a serious bacterial infection such as bronchitis. If it is brown, it is due to smog or air pollution. If it is gray, it is due to cigarette smoke. If it is pink, this occurs in the case of asthmatics. Homemade cough syrup to remove phlegm from the lungs. This is a recipe for a very effective way to remove the mucus from the lungs. It is not contraindicated in young children. The necessary ingredients are: 1 tablespoon of marshmallow root, 1 tablespoon of flaxseed, a spoonful of sage, 1 lemon cut into slices, 1 cup of water, 1 cup of brown sugar. Place the water in a saucepan with the sugar and bring to a boil until melted. Add the remaining ingredients, mix well and then remove from the heat. Let it sit for 15 minutes and then strain into a glass jar with a tight lid. Drink a tablespoon of this cough syrup 3 times a day until the condition improves. You must keep it in the fridge so it does not spoil. Home remedies for a cough with phlegm. As a complement to the syrup described above, you can take advantage of other natural recipes for removing phlegm, when it is a white color, the milder level, when coughing. Remedy with vaporizers. It is one of the oldest and, at the same time, effective home remedies to say goodbye to the phlegm. You can make the vapors with water only, or you can also choose to add a handful of coarse salt or certain medicinal herbs that help with respiratory problems, such as mint, eucalyptus, elderberry, thyme and sage. Put a pot of water on to boil. When it is at a rapid boil, bring your face near it and cover your head with a towel as if making a tent. Remedy with honey and pepper. Both of these elements have a strong expectorant capacity, which helps to expel the phlegm by coughing. Mix 1 tablespoon of honey with a pinch of ground black pepper, and take twice daily. Remedy with onion. This vegetable has more than one health benefit. For example, onion is disinfectant and anti-inflammatory, particularly in the respiratory tract. To treat a cough with phlegm, you can take advantage of its benefits in different ways. One is very simple: cut it in half and smell the aroma directly. Another alternative is to make a tea with an onion and 4 cups of boiled water, drinking 3 cups a day of the strained liquid and sweetened with honey, lemon and ginger. Remedy with garlic. This is another of the allies for people with respiratory problems. This is because garlic has many valuable compounds that make it a natural antibiotic. You can cut a clove and eat it raw, either alone or in salads. Some choose to make tea with boiling water, the same as the onion recipe above. Remedy with milk and ginger. You need a small slice of ginger root and a glass of very warm milk. The first of the 2 ingredients has expectorant properties, and if we add the warm milk, it can eliminate the phlegm that bothers you so much. It is a wonderful remedy to take at bedtime. Mix both ingredients and drink it before it gets cold. It will help you to fall asleep and breathe better.